Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Senamul Sarkar Omi. I am from the Department of CC at Kumilla University. Today I am going to present on understanding operators in C programming. I hope you will like my presentation. Let's start. What is an operator? Operators are special symbols that perform operations on or more values known as operands within C code. They are fundamental for carrying out mathematical calculations. They enable logical comparisons and decision to control program flow. They allow for efficient assignment and manipulation of data. On the next slide, we can see there are many types of operators in C. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and increment and decrement operators. First of all, we see arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are essential for performing standard mathematical calculations on numerical data types. Example: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. Relational operators, that means making comparisons: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operators, controlling program flow. These operators are vital for decision making in C, allowing you to combine or negate conditional expressions. Logical and, logical or, logical not operators. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable, often simplifying combined operator. Equal plus equal, that means A equal A plus B. Minus equal A minus equal B, that means A equal A minus B. Next slide. Increment and decrement operators. First of all, increment increases the value of the operand by 1, used heavily in loops and counters. Prefix and postfix. Prefix, that means plus plus a, increment then use the value. Postfix, that means use the value then increments. Decrement decreases the value of the operand by 1, essential for counting down. Prefix decrements then use the value, and postfix use the value then decrement. Now we can see a simple C code using operators. Hash include stdio.h int main. We create three variables a, b, and c. A equal 10, integer value a equal 10, b equal 5, and c. C equal a plus b. We can see a plus b here plus arithmetic operators. C plus equal b, that means plus equal assignment operator. A greater than b greater than, that means relational operators. And last, AND operator, that means logical AND operators. Next slide. Why operators matter, that means why operator important in C program. Operators are the foundational tools that allow C programs to perform meaningful work. Easier calculations, logic framework, data comparison, code efficiency, expression foundation. The last slide, summary. Operators act on operands to perform operations. Type include arithmetic, assignment, relational, logical, increment or decrement operators. They are the foundation of every programming language. Without operators, programming would be incomplete. That's all for my site. Thank you your attention. Assalamu alaikum everyone.